Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're here cleaning this house, and there's a lot of oxidation on all these houses, but one thing I noticed on the neighbor's house is the oxidation where it's come through with something like a pressure washer, looks like, and it was trying to be clean, probably the homeowner, quite honestly. You can see it really bad where it's shiny and then it's dull and then it's shiny and like this and it's dull and then shiny and dull, shiny and dull, dull and dull. And even on this house we can look at a very small place, and that is oxidation, and you'll be able to see right there where I wiped, it's a lot brighter because this came off of this. This is oxidation is a coating that comes over. A lot of times it's due to sun. A lot of times it's due to improper cleaning. They don't rinse. They're putting something on it, a wet or forget, or some type of soap on it, and they're not rinsing it, just letting it sit. And heat can flash oxidize when you're using soaps and bleaches and detergents and things like that. So you got to be careful for the temperature and the sun hitting it. It'll cause it to hit real fast. But anyway, this is oxidation. This is what happens when you remove oxidation. So if you're not here to remove oxidation and get paid for it, you want to be kind of careful with the rinse. You don't want to get up too close and cause this over here. You want it to look even all the way across and not have it. And you have to be real careful, because if you're cleaning gutters with a gutter mix is designed to remove oxidation from the gutters. Well, guess what? If it drips onto an oxidized surface down here, it's going to clean where it drips, and you'll have drip marks. And those, too many of those. So you have to keep, if you're doing gutters, you have to keep this surface wet. You have to keep wetting it so that if any drips down, that you can rinse it off real fast if you're not doing an oxidation removal service. But anyway, that's the deal. It's a beautiful end of October day, and we're out here washing houses and washing driveways. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.